Hi guys! This is a short tutorial video to show you how to create a simple button as in demonstration here. When you hover to the circle button, it expands and shows the text inside. Then the user can click and be redirected to the main content. You possibly perform this animation in steps with our litemove tool. Let's have a look at our setting layout in Webflow. Create a div to cover this button, nothing special in style. We will select this div to trigger animation when hover on it. The width and height corresponds to 250 and 50 pixel. Drag a link block element or something has similar functionality. Set up the same size with the parent div. Enable the overflow and relative position for it. In this element, we also need to set up the radius to show the circle edge. Then add the text element with your own content. Set it up the absolute position as our demonstration. For more interesting, add one more div to show a white dot as you can see. After that, transfer the current result page to our litemove editor. Create a new timeline. To begin, we assign for this timeline as circular button. In trigger on, choose hover action. For the next control, trigger element selector. You can type directly on it or use our detector selector to choose your aim element. In this case, we choose the class of parent div. You also turn on the function reverse on mouse when leaving. In the next stage, click on the plus icon to add the first animation. Choose specific elements you want to animate. Once again, we desire to animate the width of the parent div. In the custom box, you can add the value parameter of width. For instance, it animates from the 50 pixel point width. It corresponds to a half of the link block radius parameter. In second tab, set up width to 250 pixel. So when hover to the button, the width of button will change as our setup. Enable the live preview function to check its performance. It may work as our purpose, but there is a problem with text in the beginning point. So we will add one more animation to make it disappear in the original. Choose the text inside button as selector element. You simply adjust the opacity to change from 0 to 1. Let's check the button again. You can add more animation effects to make it more brilliant. After all, save your project and click on the export button. You just need to copy JavaScript code to your target page. Back to Webflow editor page, add new elements name embed. Then paste our GSAP JavaScript on it. You can add these codes to anywhere else. In the end, let's publish this page and enjoy the final result. That's all we want to show you in this short video today. Don't hesitate to contact us if you have any question.